Hey everyone, welcome to Origin Performance. Today we'll be installing a brand new Stillen catback exhaust on my 2014 Hyundai Genesis. But before that, coffee. We ended up deciding on this exhaust for a few reasons, mainly because it's a true dual and it's a stainless steel construction, so it won't rust. But if I'm being real with you guys, it's because the stock exhaust tone just didn't hit the right note for me and I really wanted that twin tip look. So join us as we add our first bolt-on mod to my Hyundai Genesis Coupe. After pulling out the exhaust, it was time to see what it would look like in one piece. And now that we're happy with it, it's finally time to disassemble the stock exhaust.
Bravo 6, going dark.
Oh. You're supposed to hold it too, Dick. You weren't holding shit.
And after nearly dropping the exhaust on our heads, we released the last mounting point and were able to lower the exhaust off the vehicle.
Slide that. And that's it. Come here. What? Come here. What is he doing? Simba!
But of course, nothing's easy when you live in Canada, and breaking a seized bolt is nothing new. So out came the torch to help deal with that. And before we put on the new exhaust, we knew we had to do something stupid.
That sounds like garbage. Alright, can I get a large 1 cream? And a large 2 cream 3 sugar coffee? Alright, there we go. A quarter with bread. You a flop. You're eating bread.
And while we were out, we had a helping hand drill out the broken stud in the catalytic converter, and then it was back to work.
I don't know.
You don't know what?
How well it's gonna sound.
Yeah?
Like if it's gonna be loud or if it's gonna be just like quiet stuff. It's not even the right size gasket, bro.
It's on.
Yeah, but it's not even the right size. Like it's look at the hole.
Yeah, the hole's a little... Look at that, eh? It's not lined up at all. So now we have to reuse the old gaskets because the new ones don't fit at all.
After spending a good amount of time lining up the exhaust as perfect as we could, it was finally time to start up the car and hear it for the very first time. First up for comparison, the stock exhaust. And now what you guys came for. if anyone was curious what a muffler delete sounds like, but we couldn't leave it at that. We had to put him head to head. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching. This is our very first build vlog on the channel. We're really excited to show you guys what we have in store. So stay tuned, we got more projects on the go. And as a thank you for staying tuned this long, here's some glam footage of my brand new Stirling Catback exhaust. Enjoy.
So clear. Color instructions. Very obvious. Can't you just tell?